Hi, my name's Jordan. Started working for Cormac in July last year. Started working on light vehicles, now progressing up to lorries and trucks and all, heavy plant, light plant, bit of everything really. Now in the midst of getting put through my HGV licence, all paid for through the company. Put me through my test and inspect for HGVs and put me on econ training courses, Smith gritter training courses. Yeah, put you through everything you need really. Yeah, the range of work you can work on anything from like little bipper van, strimmers, ride on lawnmowers, all the way up to cat pavers, the spider lorries. Typical day could be anywhere from doing MOTs to servicing, changing any sort of parts that need changing on any sort of vehicle really. Go from doing clutches, brakes, standard servicing, yeah, everything really. Anything needs replacing. I prefer doing like big jobs like engine jobs, clutches, gearboxes, that sort of stuff. Keeps me busy. Yeah, the benefits of working for Cormac obviously are the pension. Pension scheme's really, really good. The shifts that you're on, because obviously it's 4-day weeks. You just do your 37 hours over 4 days. So you always have a nice long weekend. And I think every third or fourth week you get a 4-day weekend, so yeah, it's a bonus really.